Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to play with the new Tom Ford Soleil winter launch. You guys, I'm so excited. I picked up several pieces from the line and today we are going to be playing with this gorgeous palette today. I know I am going to butcher the name, but this is the palette number 3 Soleil de Hiver, as well as one of the glow sticks. So I got 2 of the glow sticks, and today though we're gonna use the Soleil Neige. This one is gonna be more of that peachy with that beautiful kind of soft icy gold highlight. I am so excited to dive into this launch, you guys. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, I'm wearing all Tom Ford today, then let's go ahead and dive in. Okay guys, we are going to jump in to some Tom Ford goodness. I think we'll start out with this palette today. And I'm reaching for that one because I feel like more people are going to be interested in this sort of beautiful, natural, you know what, these are warm, but I have to say cool warm. They're not like a complete in-your-face warm palette. So pretty, you guys. I cannot wait to play. So first things first, I am going to put down a matte shadow in my crease when I'm using these. I need something, I love this formula, but because it is kind of a little bit more on the shimmery side, I feel like I need something in the crease. Let's first go ahead and give you a swatch. Here is this dry swatched here. You guys, such a pretty quad. This brown over here is so gorgeous. And again, these are softer and really wearable. So I'm excited to put this on my eyes. Okay, you guys, I'm actually going to take a sort of matte shade over here. This is from my SURRATT, but I just want to lay down just a little bit of shadow in the crease. This is sort of a peachy. I think it'll go really well with the Tom Ford. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that in my crease, and then we'll start to play with this goodness. I am going to start out with this gorgeous shade over here. We're gonna lay a little bit of that down on the lid. I'm gonna be using my ROEN Everything brush, and this is just a really soft, pretty color. I'm gonna intensify over here. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this on the outer V, and we're gonna see how that goes. I may be using this as well. Just kind of playing with the colors, you guys. Since they are all kind of shimmer shades, I don't want to overdo that. I want to have a little bit, but I want to show you the color. Oh, I love that color. Now I'm gonna wet my brush and we are gonna dip into this gorgeous chocolatey brown. Taking a little bit of this, you guys, down at the bottom. And I'm going to line near my lash line with that, kind of smudging it out. I'm going to lift it slightly at the end to kind of lift the eye up. I'm going to take this again. I'm going to run a little bit of this color underneath my lash line. Just real slight. This color has a nice little reflection in it, so it's really pretty as a liner. I'm going to soften everything up, kind of blend out. Then just in the pupil area, I'm gonna take my ring finger and I'm gonna go into this beautiful little sparkle. And I'm just going to tap right above the pupil. I'm gonna close my eyes. This is just the palette. And now I'm going to put some eyeliner on. I'm gonna use Chanel Black Wood with this today. Getting as close to my lash line. Okay, you guys, I have liner and mascara on. And you guys, this is just a really pretty quad. This is just a really pretty quad. I feel like you could play around with this. It could be kind of like your nude dip, but a step up. I do love nude dip, but this one has just a few of these kind of peachy shades in there that I personally love. Now I did want to go in. One thing I would like to do is just use a little bit more of a matte color in my crease because these all have this kind of shimmer in it. It is gorgeous, but I just want to ground my eyes just a little bit. And I pulled out one of my favorite kind of crease shades, and this is the Marc Jacobs in the BIGO. You like how I cannot read? This is the BIGO. And I think this is just gonna go, I just wanna bring down just a little bit here in that crease. Just kind of gently. And then I'm just gonna kind of blend this out with my blender brush. Just soften all the edges here. Here is the finished eye look. Just a really pretty, kind of versatile. I think anybody would be happy with this guy. So pretty. Okay, now let's play with the glow stick. I did purchase two because I couldn't decide. There is the kind of more rosy and this is a little bit more peach. For this look, I am gonna be using the Soleil Neige, and this is the one with kind of the crystalline gold highlight. And then we've got this kind of beautiful peachy coral. I'm gonna give you a swatch. There's the really bright pop of color here. And then we have, this is the really bright Soleil Neige blush. And then here is the highlight, which you guys is very subtle and pretty. It's a little bit gold, but just gorgeous, kind of an icy gold. Let's pop that on the cheeks and see how that goes. I could not decide. I'm usually more of a rosy girl, but for this look, we're gonna try this kind of peach. And I'm just gonna start blending with my fingers. Okay, love the blendability of this. And I'm actually surprised. I really like this color. I was a little bit worried when I saw it like this. I was like, whoa. But this is actually quite pretty. We'll build this up a little. You guys, it gives such a natural flush to the skin. I'm really liking that. By the way, I already put on my foundation and I am wearing the Tom Ford Soleil Glow Foundation today. I'm gonna just put a little bit more on this side just so you can see the color. I'm kind of surprised. I was kind of worried about this color and now I think I really like it. Okay, you guys, I'm actually really loving the glow stick. It has just a really nice, easy blendability. I feel like this is giving me kind of that just worked out look, and I'm really enjoying that color. Now let's go ahead and let's try this highlighter. Now I love stick kind of highlighters like this. I have one from Chanel that I absolutely love, and it's just easy for me to kind of control where I want to put this. I'm going to put this just on the high parts of my cheek. Can you see that, you guys? So pretty. The thing about this that I'm loving, you guys, is just the ease of using these. So pretty. We're gonna put that. I'm gonna put a little bit on the bridge of my nose. The lipstick that I'm gonna use is called All Time. This one just seemed to have just kind of a nice neutral that was going to go well with this quad here. So pretty. At first I thought Indian Rose, but as you can see, this is more on that peachy neutral. So let's put a little bit of this with gloss on. I'm just going to take this from the bullet first. And this is sort of just your basic nudie beige. I'm going to line my lips just a little bit. I like to put the lipstick on and then kind of define my lips because it can wash it out just a little bit. And this is a lip liner in Spice from Laura Geller. Then I am going to top it off with my favorite. This is in Crystalline. You guys, oh, favorite gloss ever. Guys, this is the finished look using these gorgeous products. I would love to hear what you picked up from the collection. And again, I'm gonna do a whole other look using the other quad that I got. This one is in the traditional Soleil Neige, and as well as that cream pot shadow that I cannot wait to use. You guys, again, I bought this one in I think this is Fleur Neige. So pretty. So I will be back with another tutorial using the other products that I picked up. But so far, you guys, this is a gorgeous collection. I think that eye quad is very versatile, usable, and I'm really liking these glow sticks. I had missed out on that last year, and people would just rave about them. But again, I love the versatility of just the stick form. Having that highlighter and blush on each side is fantastic. So I hope this was helpful, and I will be back with another Tom Ford video very soon.